guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change the Avast Antivirus display language, how to manage language, how to add a new language to your antivirus program into a simple and fast way, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. So let's get this started. You can open the Avast Antivirus from the program or review the bottom right side of your screen. There is a little arrow called Show Hidden Icons. Click on it and click on Avast. You're gonna open this tab right here. Review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to the X button, there is an option called Menu. Next to Notifications, click on Menu. Then we have a couple of options right here, okay? And we can move to Settings. Once on Settings, User Interface, Language, choose the language you would like to use with Avast. We have two right here, English and Portuguese from Brazil, but you can click on Manage Languages and you can install a lot of other languages with just a simple click. For example, the Espanol from Spanish. Click on it. We are adding this language to the Avast. Is available now. I can choose from English and Spanish, okay? Simple, right? I can do the same in the case that I would like Brazilian Portuguese, for example. Close. Now I can click to change. The Avast gonna reload and we're gonna display all in Brazilian Portuguese. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes to build your site. And it is. Hope you guys see this video, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. All the best.